Hello everyone, my name is Hugh, and I'm here to present you the project that I've been working on all semester. Here you can see I have an app called Obli, and it is short for the word obligate. And what this app allows you to do is create a commitment contract between you and your friends to achieve a common goal. And if you fail this goal, you will get charged a penalty, most likely a monetary value, and it would either be given to a charity or amongst friends, whoever has the longest streak. And let's get started. So, upon opening of the app, you are prompted with a login. Now, you can either create your login or you can log in with Google or Facebook. And here's the sign up page, but we're going to assume that the user already has the login values. And so we'll log in. And you'll be prompted on the challenges page. Now, if you're a new user, all this would be empty. But since you already have signed up with our app, then you are prompted with the challenges that you've either created or joined, or challenges that are starting in the near future. So with this page, it's basically your profile. So you have your name, your handler. There's going to be a point system of how many challenges you've accumulated over time, your friends list, and a way to edit your button. Now, if you were in a different profile, say like one of your friends' profiles, you'd be seeing the same thing. You'd be seeing the profile and all the challenges that they're in, except for this button, the edit button. That would be different. It would be like a chat button. And so let's get into creating a new challenge. So we'd go down here to create a new challenge. Now all this is already filled, but when they click the button, this would be empty. All these values would be empty. But here you'd click it and type in what kind of challenge you want to do, and you click what start date. You're prompted with the calendar, and same with the end date. When do you want it to end? And next you go to occurrence. So how many times a week would you want to do it? And you are given the options every day, weekly, and well, you can see there's two weeklies. There's one that's non-strict and one that's strict. So non-strict is how many times per day. It doesn't matter which specific day. If you wanted to do a specific day, you would just click weekly strict. So you can do 4 times a day on like Monday, Wednesday, Friday, Saturday. And we don't want to do that. We want to do non-strict. So we'll choose that. And next we'll click on who to invite. So we'll click this bar, and initially this would be empty. You click on invite friends, and this would give you a keyboard where you could type your handler, or your email. And so we've invited 4 people that we want to join this challenge that I've created. And now we are going to set up the penalty. How much do we want to set up for each time we fail? So the way that the penalty works is it is based on each day. So if you fail to do one day, then you'll get penalized for that. And when you click on the penalty page, you are shown how much you want to pay. And right here, we've chosen $25. And the options of where to send the penalty fees to. So you can send it to a charity, and or a winner takes all, or no penalty if you really don't want to pay up any money. And so we're going to choose winner takes all. And basically what this means is the winner with the longest streak is the winner. So if you're able to do it consecutively, that person that does it the longest would take all the money. And here you can select the payments. You want to do Apple, PayPal, or fill in your own credit card. And once you click one of those, then it will be prompted with the payment system. And so we'll go ahead and finish that. And public is, do you want to have other people join it that can discover this challenge, or do you want to keep it private between you and your friends? And then also more details to where you can add your own rules, more of an explanation of what is happening. And we'll go ahead and click done, have the overview. And so this is what it's going to look like to your friends once you invite them. They'll see that, oh, there's a new challenge to walk outside. Starts January 15th and ends February 15th, and we want to do it 4 times per week. And If we fail once, then we'll get penalized $25. And you can see that we invited Zoidberg, Ben Rodriguez, Amy Wong, Philip J. Fry. And to click on more details, you can click here. And we see that it's public. Cool. So that is our challenge right there. And it would be over here in the upcoming challenges. And if we wanted to look inside of the upcoming challenges, we'll see that it is basically the same thing. It just has not started yet. So let's look at the challenges where it has already started. You see like eat a salad. You'd have a chat button and a post button. Now this icon where it is on the chat indicates that there's 4 people in this challenge. And over to the right, you see the start date, the end date, and how many times per week is once, and $50 each failure. Now below that, you can see there's 100% success rate so far, and I have completed 75% of the challenge. And if you click into that, click on that, you can see these information, same information that was shown before, and then also the more details. Now, you might notice that there's a ring around the avatar. Now, ideally, when you click on this, that'd be your post, and you'll be able to see the user's stories, like on Instagram or Snapchat. Now, that's if you click this right here, and this would open up the camera app. So we'll look at this. This is the same as it was on the previous page. The success rate, goal progress, and the new one here is penalty pot. So 25 penalized out of 100. That means the total is 100 for the penalty right now. That means how many people have coughed up $25, or 25 penalized is how much that you have lost. And over here you can see the leaderboards. Now, on this example, everybody is first place, so that means everyone would be splitting the pot. But if there's one person who had a longest streak, then it would go to that person. And then you can also view all. This is an example if there's multiple people on this challenge. And that is all for this. So that is all for my prototype that I've been working on. The things I want to work on in the future is having the chat feature and the post feature as well. I want to create it to where after this, you create your own post to send a video to your friends of the challenge. And also, you can see that there's more buttons over here. This one needs to be worked on too as well, like the discovering the challenges to join, the feed, what's like the activity of other people, and notifications, who's joined your challenge, who's posted on the challenge, and who's lost money, and just the chat feature. So thanks everyone for checking out my prototype, and it was been great working with you guys, and I hope to stay in touch. Thank you.